Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive, not just into next season's trends, but into the very fabric of fashion's future. The year is 2026, and it's not just knocking on the door, it's crashing through the wall, bringing a revolution that will change how we think about, wear, and even own our clothes. Forget everything you thought you knew about style, because what's coming is less of a trend and more of a total system upgrade. This is the future you'll wear. This is the future you'll wear. So, what does this fashion revolution look like? Let's start with the most mind-bending concept: clothes that think. Imagine a jacket that knows the weather forecast. But let's start with the most mind-bending concept: clothes that think. Imagine a jacket that knows the weather forecast. Before you even step outside, it subtly adjusts its insulation, tightening its fibers to keep you warm on a chilly morning and then relaxing them as the afternoon sun comes out. This isn't science fiction. It's the power of embedded AI and smart textiles. We're talking about fabrics woven with microsensors and processors that learn your personal preferences. Think about your favorite t-shirt. What if it could learn your body temperature patterns throughout the day? It could actively cool you down during a stressful meeting or warm you up when you're relaxing. This is adaptive clothing. It's a personal stylist and a climate control system all rolled into one. Your wardrobe will no longer be a static collection of items. It'll be a dynamic, responsive ecosystem that works for you. The clothes won't just fit your body, they'll fit your life, moment by moment. It's the ultimate form of personalization, where your style literally evolves with you. Now, let's talk about how this style evolves. AI won't just be inside the clothes. It will be your creative partner. Picture this: you have an idea for a dress, a specific color, a unique cut. You describe it to your personal AI stylist, maybe even show it a few inspiration pictures you've saved. The AI doesn't just find something similar online. It generates a completely unique design, tailored to your exact measurements and aesthetic preferences, in seconds. You can tweak it in real time, make the sleeves longer, change the neckline, add a pattern. You become the designer. This technology democratizes fashion design. You no longer need to be a professionally trained artist to bring your vision to life. Your creativity is the only limit, and this extends to your existing wardrobe. AI-powered apps will scan your closet and suggest new combinations you never thought of, helping you rediscover old pieces and create fresh looks without buying anything new. It can even suggest small alterations or DIY projects to update a garment, essentially giving your clothes a second, third, or fourth life. It's about creating a truly personal style that is both innovative and sustainable. But with all this digital creation and customization, a big question arises: how do you know what's real? In a world of digital designs and AI-generated content, how can you be sure that the limited edition sneaker you just bought is actually authentic, or that the hand-stitched Italian leather bag wasn't mass-produced? This is where blockchain comes in, and it's a total game changer for trust and transparency in the fashion industry. Think of blockchain as a digital passport for your clothes. From the moment the cotton is harvested or the synthetic fiber is created, its journey is recorded on an immutable, decentralized ledger. You'll know where the materials came from, who stitched the seams, the carbon footprint of its transportation, and how many were made. This isn't just about proving authenticity, it's about holding brands accountable. This technology combats counterfeiting at its core. Simple as that. For collectors and enthusiasts, this provides an unprecedented level of security, but it also empowers every single one of us as consumers. For collectors and enthusiasts, this provides an unprecedented level of security, but it also empowers every single one of us as consumers. We can finally make truly informed choices, supporting brands that align with our values, whether that's ethical labor, sustainable materials, or local production. Blockchain makes the story behind the style as important as the style itself. It proves what's real in every sense of the word. So, when you put it all together, the AI, the smart textiles, the blockchain verification, what you get is a fashion landscape that is intelligent, personal, and transparent. But what does this mean for the big picture, for the industry as a whole? It means a massive shift away from the fast fashion model we've known for decades. The cycle of producing massive quantities of clothes that quickly go out of style and end up in landfills becomes obsolete. Instead, we're moving towards a model of on-demand production and hyper-personalization. Why would a brand mass-produce 1,000 identical dresses when they can create unique pieces tailored to individual customers' desires? This drastically reduces waste. The focus shifts from quantity to quality, from disposable trends to timeless, adaptable pieces. Your clothes will be designed to last, not just physically, but stylistically, because they can be updated and reimagined with the help of AI. This new era also redefines the concept of ownership. With blockchain, your clothes become digital assets. With blockchain, your clothes become digital assets. You can securely trade or sell them in a secondary market with their authenticity and history fully documented. This creates a circular economy for fashion where garments are valued, cared for, and passed on rather than thrown away. A vintage piece will have its entire life story attached to it, adding to its value and its charm. This isn't just a fantasy. The seeds of this revolution are already being planted. We're seeing brands experimenting with smart fabrics, designers using AI for inspiration, and luxury houses adopting blockchain to certify their products. By 2026, these individual technologies will have converged, creating a seamless and integrated experience that will feel completely natural. Your morning routine might look something like this. You wake up and your smart mirror, connected to your digital wardrobe, suggests a few outfits based on your calendar, the weather, and your mood. which it might gauge from your sleep data. You pick a base outfit, and an AI helps you customize a digital overlay pattern for your shirt, which is then instantly printed onto the fabric using color-changing technology. As you head out, the blockchain record of your jacket confirms its ethical origins, and the embedded sensors adjust to keep you comfortable throughout your day. This is the future. It's a future where fashion is no longer just about aesthetics. It's about intelligence, ethics, and personal expression on a level we've never seen before. It's a world where your clothes work for you, tell a story, and reflect not just who you are, but who you want to be. The line between the physical and digital worlds is blurring, and our wardrobes are right at the intersection of that change. What do you think about this future? Are you excited for clothes that think and a wardrobe that evolves? Or does it all sound a little too much like science fiction? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I read every single one, and I'm really curious to hear what you think. This isn't just a trend. This is the future we will all wear sooner than you think. This is the future we will all wear sooner than you think. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of fashion, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.